Inverter faults. So if you see a red light, that generally means there's a fault. Now, depending on your inverter, you're going to have different fault codes. So you could actually probably quickly do a Google search and find out what that fault is. But if you have any kind of good company that's installed your system, you should be able to pick up the phone, get an answer pretty quick from the service team. Okay, so most companies that have seen these faults are going to know what these faults are, and they can walk you through the necessary steps. Some faults are as simple as a voltage clip. Okay, so this means maybe your system is producing so much power, at the same time other people in your neighborhood were producing so much power, and everybody was exporting too much into the grid. Now, the grid network wasn't actually designed for this, so what's going to happen is you're actually going to have voltage pushback. This is called voltage rise. When this happens, your inverter may actually get too much voltage sent back to it from the grid, and as a safety precaution, it's actually going to shut itself down. So this is where you need to do a simple restart when you have a voltage clip, and your system should be ready to go. Now, this is just a safety precaution on the inverters built in. If there's nothing on your inverter screen, you've got a bigger problem, and obviously if it's the middle of the day and you've got some nice sun, your inverter could potentially be broken, or maybe your solar main switch is tripped or your AC isolator is tripped. So have a quick look at your AC isolator and your solar main PV switch. If both of those are on and you see nothing on your inverter, time to pick up the phone because you need a new inverter.